Look what I got. Say goodbye to boring-ass pizza. Snag a dad win with Domino's new Sauce Bottom Pizza.
My mouth is blown.
The sauce is on the bottom, so it can slam your flavor buds faster.
You know what? I'm glad Mom left.
This pizza's so good. Dad, I'm gay.
Yeah.
Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency alert. Stop everything you are doing and pay attention to this message. The information in this broadcast can be vital to your safety. In approximately 50 minutes, nuclear missiles will strike the cities of New York, Houston, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., and Miami. Seek immediate shelter quickly. Grab medical supplies, non-perishable food, and clothes. May God watch over us. End of message. Civil authorities have issued a nuclear attack warning. Seek immediate shelter and pay attention to this broadcast. The Russian Federation has launched nuclear missiles against the United States. As of now, the USA has declared war on Russia. Emergency Alert System. Civil authorities have issued an emergency notification. The toxic gas that remains in Ground Zero, formerly LA, New York, Miami, Houston, and Washington, D.C. is inhabitable for humans, as well as the areas surrounding Ground Zero. Buses will be evacuating people who are in the areas surrounding Ground Zero. Here are the times the buses will be arriving. LA area, 6:30 a.m. Houston area, 6:45 a.m. Miami, 7 o'clock a.m. New York, 7:30 a.m. Washington, D.C., 8 o'clock a.m. Please don't make the evacuation more difficult than it already is. May God watch over us. End of message. Emergency Alert System. Civil authorities have issued a wartime broadcast. Do not panic, stay calm, and listen to this broadcast. World War III has officially started after the Russian Federation has nuked the United States. This broadcast is to inform people who are enemies and who are allies. All NATO members are allies. Russia, China, North Korea, and Cuba are our enemies. May God watch over us. End of message.